Namaskar guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I was supposed to explore Magochuna and Gongkhala Lake, लेकिन क्योंकि मैंने अपना बाइक एकदम से रिपेयर नहीं किया है, बस थोड़ा जुगाड़ करके रख दिया और करता भी क्या, वहाँ मुझे कोई TVS का सर्विस सेंटर भी नहीं मिला। लोकल मैकेनिक अगर वायरिंग टच कर देता तो मेरा वारंटी लैप्स हो जाता। तो मागोचूना की तरफ एक्चुअली कोई मोबाइल रिसेप्शन भी नहीं मिलता है, प्लस मैं सोलो राइड कर रहा हूँ, इसलिए लोकल्स ने सलाह दी कि अकेला नहीं जाना ही अच्छा होगा। ऊपर से ठंड भी मेरे बर्दाश्त से बाहर हो गया है। मेरे घर से निकले हुए करीब एक सप्ताह हो गया है, तो मुझे अपने बच्चों की भी याद आ रही है और फिक्र भी हो रहा है। तो इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं घर के लिए ही निकल जाऊँ आज।
आप लोगों को दिख रहा कि नहीं, ये देखो सुबह का ड्यू ड्रॉप फ्रॉस्ट बन गया। ठंडा अंदाजा लगा। ये देखो भाई, जसवंतगढ़ का टॉप अभी भी बर्फ से भरा है। दिस इज द जसवंतगढ़ टॉप। पिछली बार भी हम बर्फ देखे थे, अभी भी बर्फ है, सारा पानी बर्फ बन गया। चलो निकलते हैं, कहीं मिलेगा तो चाय समोसा कुछ गरम गरम खाएंगे। ओके, वी हैव जस्ट टेकन अ डिटूर टुवर्ड सेला टनल। सीधा चलता तो सेला पास मिल जाता, बट आज हम सेला टनल होके जाएंगे। आपको भी क्या सेम दिखाते रहना, कुछ नया दिखाएंगे आज। और वैसे भी ठंड तो बहुत हो गई है, मेरे बर्दाश्त से बाहर हो गया। वेलकम टू सेला टनल। तो दैट वाज द रोड। अगर सीधा निकलता तो बाईपास सेला पास मिलता, बट अगर ये ब्रिज क्रॉस कर दिया तो ये सेला टनल निकल जाएंगे। दैट्स इट, सेला टनल। मेरा बाइक का आवाज अलग ही आ रहा है इधर। Okay, speed limit says 40 kilometers. Let's slow down a bit. I'm not going 40, I'm going 60. Sorry, my bad. अरे भाई, टनल के अंदर भी इतना ठंड है, क्यों इतना नाइंसाफी? अरे टनल के अंदर तो थोड़ा गर्म होना चाहिए। हाँ, आई थिंक एक तरफ से ही हवा चलता है, इसीलिए। थोड़ा रुकते हैं इधर। Okay, since it is recording, let me give you an outside look of the Sela tunnel. Okay guys, I think we have to cross one more tunnel. यहाँ पे 2 टनल है। Okay, let's keep going. आर्मी ट्रक्स ने पूरा स्मोक छोड़ के चला गया, डीजल स्मोक। मेरा my nose is in trouble now. Ow. सांस तो ले नहीं पा रहा है, फिर भी जो ले पा रहा हूँ उसमें स्मोक जा रहा है। गलती किया मैंने, सीधा निकल जाना चाहिए था, या तो थोड़ी देर बाद निकलना चाहिए था। क्लीन है नाउ। अरे भाई, यहाँ भी बर्फ जमा हुआ है। मुझे लगा सेला टनल थोड़ा नीचे होगा, लेकिन वो भी काफ़ी ऊंचाई में है। अरे यार, इधर आना है ना तो हेलमेट के नीचे बलाक्लावा ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो नाक बंद हो जाते हैं या तो बहने चालू हो जाता है। इतनी ठंड है यार, कब पहुंचेंगे नीचे, कब मिलेगा थोड़ा धूप। आई डोंट थिंक बोमडिला तक तो मिलने वाला है। बोमडिला भी काफ़ी ऊंचाई में ही है भाई। काले बादल आ गए। I hope it doesn't rain at least until I reach बोमडिला। तेजपुर 251 किलोमीटर्स। अरे कुछ मिल जाएगा इधर में। कुछ चाय पानी पी लेते हैं भाई। ओके, Dirang is 61 kilometers, Bomdila is 104 kilometers. Tezpur is nearly 250 kilometers from here. Let's see if we can make it to Tezpur. I'm tired of the cold, man. Dirang में जाके कुछ नाश्ता पानी करते हैं। It's already 9. I think I'll reach by 1.5 hour. Let's see. यहाँ पे जो ट्रक्स चलाते हैं भाई, सैल्यूट भाई, सैल्यूट उन लोगों के लिए। चाहे वो आर्मी ट्रक्स हो या लोकल ट्रक्स, इतना बड़ा बड़ा गाड़ी इतना ट्विस्टेड रोड में, सही है भाई। सैल्यूट टू यू गाइस। ओके, प्रेजेंटली हम बैसाखी में हैं। बैसाखी इज काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेस वेयर मोस्ट ऑफ द आर्मी पीपल आर कैम्प्ड आउट हियर। सो मैं ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं बना रहा हूँ इधर, बट द सीनरीज आर रियली ब्यूटीफुल। यहाँ पे थोड़ा वेदर ठीक है, थोड़ी गर्मी है, धूप भी आ गया है। इट्स 9:20 नाउ, so these roads are being made. Like I told you guys, there are two routes to Bomdila. One is from Balemu, जहाँ से हम आए थे, but today since I'm going to Tezpur, हमें भालुकपोंग होके निकलना पड़ेगा। आज कहाँ तक पहुँचते हैं देखते हैं, I'm not sure, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से तो बोमडिला क्रॉस करने के बाद weather would be good. इतना भी ठंडा नहीं होगा, because after बोमडिला it's all downhill road to भालुकपोंग, और उसके बाद तो प्लेन्स आ जाते हैं। तो टोटल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम तवांग और जांग टू माई होम टाउन इज नियरली 600 समथिंग किलोमीटर्स। तो मेरे हिसाब से तो मैं तेजपुर आराम से पहुंच जाना चाहिए, बट आई विल आल्सो ट्राई टू रीच होम इन वन गो इफ पॉसिबल। अगर असम में मौसम ख़राब है तो मैं रुक जाऊंगा तेजपुर में, और अगर मौसम ठीक है और मैं जल्दी अगर पहुंच गया, गूगल आंटी शोड लाइक 6 आवर्स, तो 6 आवर्स में तो मैं तेजपुर काफ़ी जल्दी पहुंच जाने वाला हूं। और असम में तो नाइट राइड में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, क्योंकि वहां पे इतना ट्विस्टेड रोड्स नहीं है। तो देखते हैं, अगर घर एक ही शॉट में पहुंच जाते हैं, अगर पहुंच गए, दैट वुड बी अनदर माइलस्टोन फॉर माय राइड। 600 किलोमीटर्स इज़ नॉट अ जोक आफ्टर ऑल। एक्सप्रेस वे, हाईवे का अलग बात है, बट दिस काइंड ऑफ रोड and just simple highways, it's not easy, it's not going to be easy at all. तेजपुर तक 6 घंटा, और तेजपुर से पकड़ लो 3-4 घंटा तो लग जाएगा भाई, मे बी मोर, 5 घंटा भी लग सकता है, क्योंकि रात होगी। मैं इतना स्पीड तो नहीं चलाता रात में, और इस बार मैं शिवसागर होके नहीं जाऊंगा, नो वे। मैं सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ से निकलते ही लखीमपुर के तरफ निकल जाएंगे। दैट्स अनदर रूट टोटली। लखीमपुर होके, बोगीबिल ब्रिज होके डिब्रूगढ़ पहुंच जाएंगे। ओके, जस्ट हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट हियर। वी आर इन Dirang itself, but we haven't entered the town. You can see this is the hotel. Just had some puri sabji and omelette. I was really hungry, man. Let's head to Bomdila now. यहाँ थोड़ा खाना हजम हुआ है, इतना ठंडी में खाना हजम भी नहीं होता। चलो निकलते हैं, लेट्स कीप गोइंग। अब टाउन में नहीं रुकेंगे, क्योंकि पिछली बार देखे थे हमने, टाउन का रास्ता काफ़ी नैरो है और काफ़ी ट्रैफिक जैम भी होते हैं। इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि यहीं पे खा लेते हैं नाश्ता, और टाउन जस्ट क्रॉस करते निकल जाएंगे, टाउन में रुकेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि रास्ते भी ठीक नहीं है दिरांग के, धूल मिट्टी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ। बगल में ही नदी बहती हुई, वी आर ऑलमोस्ट रीचिंग दिरांग टाउन। ओके, टेकिंग अ स्मॉल ब्रेक आफ्टर दिरांग। The roads in Dirang are really awful, man. Check out the beautiful Kameng River. Let me just admire the beauty of Kameng River for a while, and I'll keep moving after that. Okay, the map shows it's 28 kilometers from here. It matlab Bomdila is 28 kilometers from here. It'll take me nearly 50 minutes. Cool, not a problem. I am not removing any of my woolens because after this we have to go higher to Bomdila and it would be cold there as well. So I didn't take much footage on this way because you guys have already seen it on my vlogs. There's no point recording so much on the same road. Let's keep moving. I will start vlogging after I reach Bomdila. And Bomdila matlab, okay, I needed to check the luggage. Just a minute. Okay, I'm good. So in Bomdila I am not going to stop much, only the Bomdila monastery. That is my target. I won't even spend much time there. We'll just pass by the Bomdila monastery. It's a little detouring. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have taken the detour. We have reached Bomdila and taken the detour to Bomdila monastery. It's almost 15 minutes to 12. I think we'll reach Tejpur today. So monastery is तरफ है. Thank you. Tiny little monk. There are more tiny monks. This car has some nice wheels. I can see the monastery now. मोनेस्ट्री किस तरफ है सर? मोनेस्ट्री किस तरफ है? इधर से बाइक नहीं जाएगा?
आपको साइड में रखना पड़ेगा, पूरा वो है, प्रोग्राम चल रहा है ना।
ओह अच्छा अच्छा, आज प्रोग्राम है। वो पार्किंग भी मुश्किल है, सामान है ना ले जाना भी मुश्किल है। हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। वहाँ पे ऊपर में? ठीक है ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। Okay, there seems to be some program here. Let me do one thing. I will not open my helmet. ऐसे ही जाके देख के आते हैं।
अब बाइक निकलेगा?
नहीं, हम अभी पहुँचे। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। Okay, this seems to be the main monastery. There seems to be some function going on out here, so I won't be spending much time here. Okay, let's keep going. Guess this is it. Let's see for some souvenirs to take home. नहीं, हम निकलेगा ये अभी। हाँ जाके आ गया। हाँ हाँ आराम से रख सकेगा, आप ले आओ, हम निकलते हैं वैसे। हाँ हाँ आप आओ, हम थोड़ा। हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, ओके ओके। So the person is actually wanting to park his car here, so I'll be waiting for him to bring his car. Hey, where's my other woolen? Hey, कहाँ गया? Oh, it's inside. It's like a small marketplace for the function. हम इधर से ही निकल जाएगा ना अभी? ए नो प्रॉब्लम। हाँ हाँ आराम से, आप थोड़ा आगे कर लीजिए। हाँ निकल जाए, पीछे का थोड़ा निकला हुआ है चक्का, तो आप मैनेज कर लीजिए। हाँ हाँ let's put on the maps to Tejpur. Okay, we're heading to Tejpur now. I don't think it will be cold anymore because it's totally a downhill ride now. So at the parking of the monastery, I left my gloves in my bag. Luckily it was still there. Or maybe the people are honest here. Chori chakeri hoti nahi hogi idhar. Mostly in the hill stations it is like that. Most of the hill stations. Okay, I really wanted to take a souvenir home, but it seems it's difficult to stop by anywhere and everywhere with the luggage in your bag. So I have thought of something for my family. Instead of taking a souvenir, I'll take them to somewhere, a family trip. So you'll be getting more family vlogs. I have not decided where to until now. अब तक सोचता हूँ maybe काजीरंगा ले जाऊँ, because ऐसे hill stations में तो बच्चे लोग नहीं आ पाएंगे. One is of 4 years, one is of 4 months. उनको मुश्किल होगा. अरे मैं इतना 36 साल का बंदे का हालत टाइट हो जाता है, इन बच्चों का कैसे नहीं होगा. So I'll take them to some good place. I'm sure my daughter would love to be present in Kaziranga and check out all those wild animals. Q Zone, Snooker Club. There's not much to see in Bomdila other than the Kameng River and the Bomdila Monastery, and it seems I have shown you both of them. Now our ride will be side by side of the flow of the Kameng River. Check out the road. I'll show you from here. Check out the view, man. There's the road below. Beautiful town. Let's keep moving. Now I'll be capturing a lot of footages on this road from Bomdila to Bhalukpong, because none of my videos have that. We came from a different route and we are going to a different route. It's a very steep decline here. We have got into broader section of the road. Seems like we are on a highway now. Okay, we have to go down. Tejpur is 150 kilometers from here. Tejpur is nearly 150 kilometers from here. Maybe it might take like 3 hours, 4 hours something. We might reach Tejpur by 3:34, I suppose. अब आ रहा है वीडियो में. थैंक यू. हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए. चलते हैं. क्या नाम था भाई को दे दिए, फुटलूस तरुण. मेरा मोबाइल इसका पता चला अभी हम. तरुण. तरुण ना. ठीक है, थैंक यू. चलते. I've got a few subscribers here. I have filled up my tank here. Got a few subscribers as well. Let's keep going. अभी तो गर्म लगने शुरू हो गया भाई. Okay, I have to go straight. That way was Balemu, where we came from, and this way is Bhalukpong, where we are going. There seems to be a landslide here, and the excavator are doing their job. Let's go wait in front. Okay, the road's open. लंबा लाइन लग चुका था। तेजपुर 136 किलोमीटर। आई थिंक आई कैन रीच होम इन वन गो। शौर्या द्वार। The roads out here are quite broad enough. Okay, doing some decent speeds now because I have a long way to go. Seems to be I'm on the right track. Let's keep moving, guys. रास्ते भी काफ़ी चौड़े हैं। चला के जो आनंद आ रहा है शब्दों पे मैं बयान नहीं कर पाऊँगा। Can you see that? That's a नाग मंदिर। शिव मंदिर होगी कोई। I wish I could go there, but I am having some shortage of time. I need to reach home. Bhalokpong, 62 kilometers. All right. The beautiful Kameng River. Check it out. Time is 1:10. It's time to have my lunch, but I'm not very hungry today. Alright guys, I left my bike there. Had to wait for the nature's call, but I crossed this place and I saw that. Check it out. Can you see that? It's a monastery, I suppose. Look at the location of it. Right at the top of a hill, and around it surrounds the road. Wow. Beautiful. That's the road, all full of twisties. Ronin is performing pretty well, not a single complaint. I ran out of battery. I have changed it to the one with full charge. So let's keep going. Nechipu Tunnel. Do we have to go through it? Yes, we have to go through it. I didn't know we have a tunnel here. So I just halted to clean my helmet's visor. It got really dusty and sun is coming right in front of my eyes, for which I am not able to see properly. Isliye, and moreover it's getting really hot now. So I have opened my woolen gloves. I'm just wearing the riding gloves now. Oh, that's a mini waterfall. Check it out. You can see waterfall here only. ऊपर जाएगा तो सिर्फ बर्फ दिखेगा अभी. Sorry to halt again. I have forgotten to zip my jacket. Seems all good. I'm keeping my visor open now because I had a wet wipe with which I cleaned it, but I don't have a dry wipe to clean the water off. So I have to keep my visor open for a while so that it gets dried up with the wind. Now I'm actually very lazy to open up my bag, get a cloth out and wipe it off. Bhalokpong is more 41 kilometers, not very far. Alright, I can see another waterfall. Check this out. एक छोटा मोटा waterfall, छोटा मोटा नहीं है, बहुत ऊपर से आ रहा है. पानी कम है. There seems to be a lot of waterfall out here, man. There's one more. Voila. Alright folks, we are almost near Bhalokpong. That is the border of Assam and Arunachal. My map is showing the route to Sibsagar, Tezpur, but once I cross Bhalokpong, see Bhalokpong is 19 kilometers. Once I cross Bhalokpong, I will reroute my map to my hometown, that is Duliajan. I'm planning not to stop. I'll only stop for some food later on. I'm not hungry either because the road was so good. The adrenaline rush has filled up my tummy. Now the roads have gotten narrower, so I have to ride a bit slower now. Someone seems to be coming. Let's go slow. Lots of pickles being sold here. What is this place? Elephant Flat. Lots of bamboo shoots. दुकानों को देख के नोंगपो पहुंच गया लग रहा है मेघालय का. Except that they have bamboo shoots along with the pickles. Just a quick stop to show you the river. Correct me if I am wrong. I think this river goes to Assam and its name changes to Sesa. I think so. And this river goes and meets Brahmaputra. We also have a Sesa near my hometown. I don't know if both of them are same, but I'm sure this river goes to Assam and its name turns into Sesa. How nice. They're building a very broad bridge here. A lot of water in this river, in this part of the river. No more pine trees. That means no more cold. Okay, I saw a Karak Chai outlet. Let me grab some sandwich or something. Let me have something light. I don't want to have something heavy. Okay, so this location is called Tippi, and I just had some Maggi with coffee from Karak Chai outlet. Feeling a lot better. Okay, as I was sitting at the Karak Chai outlet, I checked on my YouTube studio and I got a comment from my subscriber. He said me to change my angle so that my tank shows up, my rear view mirror shows up. So I have changed the angle to hyper view. I hope you like it now, Dheeraj, I suppose, if I'm not wrong. So I also met a local guy named Sonam. Just started the talk about his truck stunt bike. So he told me that Bhalukpong is somewhat like 5 kilometers from here, and after that it's very good roads. Looking forward for it. So this is kind of a forest area, and we might also encounter elephants, a signboard says, or any other wild animals. Not a problem, I'm used to it. So I asked Sonam about this river. It is the Kameng River in Arunachal, the same one that I showed in Bomdila. And I also asked him that does this river after entering Assam turns into Sesa? He said yes. So I was right. I don't think this is Bhalukpong. Oh, it is Bhalukpong. Okay, we have reached Bhalukpong. I think I should stop and put on my maps. Alright, I have rerouted my map to my hometown. Let's keep moving. It's pretty hot here, man. But I'm not gonna open my warmer because it's already sunset now, and after this it's going to be cold here as well in Assam. So it's better not to open up any warmer. Okay, we have 8 more hours to travel. Let's speed up. It's already 3:30, which means I'm gonna reach home by 11. What happened here? Ki? Hati? Okay, elephant nuisance. Let's see if we can see from here. Oh, there are bikers out there. Let me go near. Yeah, let's fucking go. Oh, there's a bike fallen out here. Better not to slow down. Good thing a localite informed me. I couldn't grab the elephant on my camera. I wish I could. I think I will stop at North Lakhimpur for my dinner. And I will also have to charge my phone. Not for the maps, but for the emergencies. Seems to be a very good picnic spot. Many of them are having picnic as well. Sonam bro was right, man. This road will allow me to take my bike even to 100 km/h. And yes, I can. I have been doing 100 and going to 95. I usually don't go above 100 because the bike doesn't like it, as well as I need to be safe. I think right now I am amidst the Nameri Wildlife Sanctuary because a few moments back I passed Nameri Eco Camp and I can see a lot of monkeys. See, a lot of monkeys. Well, monkeys are harmless. I'm just scared about the ones who harm people. Let's not encounter them. Bye bye monkey. Banar Sena. See, Nameri Tiger Reserve. Shit, it's Tiger Reserve. Woo. Thank God I'm alive. Tea Gardens. Welcome to Assam. Now we have come into the highway and I believe this side we go to Lakhimpur. Yes, this side. Okay, let's head to North Lakhimpur. So I'm heading towards the east and now the time is for the sun to set. So it is at the west, for which I am not having the sun rays hit my eye. What a pleasant feeling. I'm doing some pretty good speeds. I hope there is no interceptor in between. Fingers crossed. It's gotten dark now. The bike in front of me is Dorji. Actually, I made a stop to clean my visor and then Dorji showed up from behind and had a little chit chat. He was kind enough to invite me to his house for a night stay and some dinner, but I don't think I can do that because I have to reach home. Dhemaji Itanagar. The Dorji bhai ja rahe Itanagar and I will be heading forward. Man, I really need some extra lights in this bike for night rides. ये headlight तो ठीक है, but deeper में देखो कुछ दिखता ही नहीं. And if your helmet visor is dirty, तब तो कुछ भी नहीं दिखता है. I'm going in a slow pace क्योंकि रात का वक्त है. People go crazy at night. That is why I'm keeping a steady pace. Phone पे charge पूरा खत्म हो गया है. Only 10% left. So I'm planning to stop only if the phone gets switched off. I don't know if you can hear me properly, but I've opened the visor of my helmet. क्या भाई, deeper नहीं पहचानता ही क्या? My visor has gotten dirty, for which I have opened the visor, and if there's any wind noise, please pardon me. Presently we are at Narayanpur town. Taking it slow because very bad roads. It was really bad roads until now. Let's see what we have in store. Nah, same condition, even worse. Yeah, very bad roads. I thought this would be good, but hell no, it's not. The road seems to get better. Phew, that was a really bad patch of road, man. इतना गड्ढा था वहाँ, अभी मुझे डीपर डे नहीं डर लग रहा है. कब कहाँ गड्ढा निकल जाए भगवान जाने. अरे बाप रे. So my phone charge is down to 5% now. Fuck, क्या रास्ता है यार. बहुत गाली देने का मन कर रहा है ये सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को. अरे ऐसा रास्ता रखता है क्या कोई. अब मेरा फ़ोन का चार्ज 5% हो गया. कहीं रुकना पड़ेगा. And I think I'm almost half tank now, and we have to go, I don't know, somewhat about 200 kilometers. तो refueling भी करना पड़ेगा because I don't want to take risk. 9 बजे के बाद बहुत most of the petrol pump gets closed. इसलिए कहीं रुक के खाना वाना खा के तेल डाल के निकलना सही होगा. आई थिंक तेल पहले डाल लेते हैं, उसके बाद खाने के लिए रुक जाते. खाने का होटल तो 10-11 बजे तक भी खुला रहता है, लेकिन पेट्रोल पंप आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट कब तक खुला रहेगा, तो डाल लेना ही सही होगा. ओके, वी हैव एन इंडियन ऑयल पेट्रोल डिपो. लेट्स गो रिफ्यूल. किधर लगाओ? Okay, resetting trip B to check the mileage. फुल टैंक कर देना ऑटो कट तक, ठीक है? ऑटो कट से एक बूंद भी ऊपर मत डालना, माइलेज चेक करना है. तो ऑटो कट लगा दो, जहाँ कटेगा हम गूगल पे कर देगा, ठीक है? इतना खराब रास्ता है ये. जहाँ तहाँ गड्ढा. लखीमपुर कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
40 किलोमीटर.
ओके, आकाशी गंगा रेस्टुरेंट याते खाई दिও আজি. टायर्ड मैन. মাছ মাংস মই অকলে মাছকে খাই দিওঁ. মাছ আপোনাৰ ডাঙৰ মাছ কিবা এটা দি দিব. Alright, so had my dinner at Bipuria and heading off to my hometown right now. I don't have much charge on this camera, so this is the last vlog I'm doing. बाकी सब घर पहुंच के करते हैं. Quick update guys, crossing Dhemaji, and Google Andy shows I have 2 more hours to ride. So see you at Bogeybill Bridge. Until then, tada. I am climbing the Bogeybill Bridge right now. I'm not gonna record it for a long time because it was only 11% of charge that I could give the battery. So I'll have to stop the recording now and I'll get back to you when I reach home. Okay, here's a glimpse of the bridge midway. I'm right now on top of the river.